Hello and welcome, I am Max Wolf and we're back today at the Bagshot breakfast meet. It's pretty busy even though it's raining. Let's have a look what's here. Today I'm going to start this down at the bottom of the car park as let's make a change for once. It's starting to rain and I'm surprised we have a very good turnout considering the weather because you can't see it in the video but it is coming down, so I better get on with this before everything starts leaving. But it's Bagshot, we always get a great turnout no matter the weather, no matter what. And why don't I start this off with a new one to the meet. Check this out. A new purchase and he has added it to his collection of cars. Quite nice and I'm liking it a lot. I think there's going to be some good photos done of this. Like I've said with Bagshot, always brings out a new car every meet. I can't think of a meet there hasn't been a new car. So let us head down. I'll do this bottom row and we'll work our way back up this time. And I did bring the Mopar out today, which is there, big and yellow in the background. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's have a look at this. The hood's up on the Mustang here. Let's have a look. We have an Instagram handle here of 68 Mustang 390. Check them out.
Tell you what though, you get a very high interest in people wanting to do comms with a fastback Mustang.
Not one I've seen down here regularly, and I'm not sure if I've seen this before either. And when I saw earlier coming in, I feel like it does need the wheels that go here. But just check out how big this is inside.
They're on another one.
Oh, we need another one now.
No, they're on another one, the wheels.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've got them. But
They are in use then. It's doing donor car for today. Yeah, I do love that, it's nice.
It's probably more dangerous than all these cars.
And we have what I believe is the only Trans Am down here today, and I think the only console as well. We've got the Chevy truck here with the modernish sort of lights. I need to get a setup like this on mine because the headlights on mine are terrible. I don't particularly like the modern headlight look, so I need to think something out. But check out how beefy them tyres are. That just sets it right off. I'm liking that a lot. Sounds brilliant coming in as well. Which there will be a second video to this, as I will have filmed a couple of cars coming in, whatever I film leaving. Not sure how much footage is going to be on that one today, but we shall see. As we have double minis and one about to go. We got a Capri and the Mopar and a Zodiac, and I like the Dodge. That is nice. I'll get the Mini leaving in a minute. And on the Beetle here, we have got a bike on the roof, skeleton on the back, and a little chrome doggy.
it's Mopar.
And one that is for sale. I think it's about 25 grand. Check them out, After Dark Automotive. On air, sounds brilliant, looks amazing. Love this. I am in the market for another car, but I don't know. I know what I want, and it will happen one day, but I can't really be going and buying anything else at the moment. But that is the one. I'm liking that a lot. So let me do the row behind me here. I'm liking the Chevrolet here. And is this one for sale? Yes, it is. So we got the GMC here, we got the, I'm tired this morning, Volkswagen here, and big Ram. Tiny car for a tiny owner. As the Mini comes around and leaves, let's get this in. And I shall keep moving around as I'm getting cold, it is raining, and I just realised we have a nice lineup of trucks here. Surprising, one that makes HMS Ram look not small, but these are big trucks. I don't know, I've never given this a proper look around. Let's have a look around this, because I like the trucks. I wouldn't mind this. It has a Hemi as well. I've got to try and walk through all of this. And Bagshot, for those that don't know, is an active golf club, which I don't want to say it. I don't think any golf balls have ever made it this way, thankfully. But yeah, that's big. Let me turn this camera around. Give you an idea of the size of this. This is me standing next to it. This thing's big. But we have got a very nice Ram lineup here. And a Ford on the end. So we get into this next row here. I'm quite happy with the amount of cars we got. The car park was where I parked up. It was all empty when I got here.
Yeah,
And it started to fill up very nicely.
moan about work like he does.
Let's see, is this for sale? Oh no, here we go. Takes me forever to read this, so I'm gonna let people pause that and read it themselves. And one again that sounds very nice. I'd like to have a look under the hood of this. I don't think I've actually seen the engine in this one. So we have another massive Mopar. And let me quickly show mine off, as why not? It is out in the rain. I'm going to be wiping it down with the chamois in a minute, just to clean it off, as it... Last time I had this out was last night at, yeah, Modern Car Meet, but it's just damn Mopars versus the world, in my opinion, instead of JDM, Japanese domestic market. Nah, it's Mopars. But yeah, this will get wiped down soon enough. Let us keep going around here. Got another Chevy wagon here. And I started getting back into doing photos. I don't do them all that often, but when I do, I think they come out alright. So there will be a lot of photos coming out. I got a nice one of this at Burger and Pint the other night. I've got to edit it all up. Been so busy, but we will get it all out. And here we have Willis Coupe. Check this out. Shame the hood's on it. This thing is a real bit of care. Can I get the camera underneath this? Let's have a look. As I said, proper bit of care. And to a modern Corvette, I am loving the colour of this. So the meet is predominantly pre-80s cars. We do get the odd modern car, but thankfully today it is quite quiet in attendance, so we have got a bit of space for some other cars today. But normally, yeah, we try and keep this as pre-80s as possible, because last month we had cars parking up all the way up there, so it depends on the weather. But yeah, mainly pre-80s, just like this. Check it out, how cool is that? And we have the main man himself, Chrysler 300. Been out in this quite a few times. We will be again, I'm sure, at the hayride. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Let's get Martin and leaving here. Catch you in a bit, mate. Yeah, how cool is that? And we do have the Bling Mini. We'll get to that in a minute. And we have one again here that hasn't been out. I don't know if that's actually been out this year, but it's had a lot of work done to it, and it looks just as amazing as ever.
Neil Melliard is the one to see about that.
Yeah, incredibly skilled.
Hello, someone.
The amount of work that's gone into this, it is just mind-blowing and looks amazing. Check it out. We've got purple paint color-coded everywhere. And if you want to see more of this, obviously subscribe and like the video if you are so far, but they have got an Instagram and Facebook page. My gimbal's doing really weird things. It keeps... What is it doing? Right, hopefully that sorted it. Because this has been out to quite a lot of the cool floats, as you can see. It's just beautiful. Yeah, like I said, this is just lovely, this. And we have bad parking cyclists by the looks of it. And the matte black lowered Chevy slammed right to the floor. Got Porsche here, Mustang, and the dual Mopars, which did come with dogs apparently, as they are being walked. This we've been doing some research on. Started off gold at one point. We're trying to find photos, so if anyone has seen this car at any point when it was gold, or any photos sort of around 2000 or before that, send them my way, as we're trying to find some information on this car. And we have the RPD Raccoon Police Department police car. I can see a Wile E. Coyote in the passenger seat. Can I get it to focus? Just a little bit. Yeah, this has got red and blue underglow to go with it. I seem to have a bit of a thing for underglow recently. If you've seen my Illusion video, which the Illusions rep car is here somewhere. Yeah, we have got a lot of cars with underglows. So let's continue on this back row here, or side row, or starting row. I've sort of put myself out by going back to front. And we have another Chrysler Mopar here. And I don't think this is a Bentley. Pretty sure Chrysler 300, but it looks a bit different. Oh, I like the honeycomb styling on the back, that's different. And a truck. I'm sure I've seen this before. I don't remember the bar bits here. Looks like it should have a cover on it. And we've got another one turning up here. Yeah, right. So I just realised, as I know they watch my videos and I know they like it, this is part of After Dark Automotive's crew, this is. And they are down today, and from what I can see, 2 cars. They got that and the wagon over there. Check them out. They got lots of stuff for sale. They will have meet starting up soon, so I'm looking forward to attending those. You alright, morning? And we've just gone past Alan there with the camera. Done a lot of photos from this meet as well, so if you can find him on Facebook on the Bagshot page, make sure to check him out. So let us work our way over to the MG here and the Bling Mini. Sadly, Bling Beast isn't out today, but we do have one in pink with the bling. Surprising, first time I've actually seen this in daylight. Normally we see this down at Illusion, but let's give this a proper look over, because this is just like insane. It has got a custom heart-shaped steering wheel. Can't quite see it in there. It's got all lights inside, more metal flake on the inside. It is just crazy, this little car. It's got a glowing heart-shaped exhaust. It has got LED strips on the inside, say hello. It has metal flake. It has sequins. Yeah, it's just modified as you can get. You gotta love it. Let us head back to the classics. We've got one for sale. No price, just a number. But if you're in the market for one, why not? So I started this walk around at the right time, because I'm not sure, as I've had to stop filming a few times. I'm going to get everything leaving. Got another one of the Mustangs here. And we got even more leaving. So, we haven't had many more turn up, but considering the weather, I think we've done very, very well. And as I was speaking of Illusion, here we have one of the Illusion rep cars. You're right, mate, how you doing?
You've got enough followers. See if you can track down who owns this motorcycle.
I'm being asked for reconnaissance work here. If you know, Detective Wolf is now on the job. Let's see what we can find. So we are on the hunt now for a motorbike. You're gonna have to tell me what it is you're looking at, because motorbikes, I don't know.
Missing one spark plug.
Yeah.
And it's got a copper pipe running down to something which disappears. There's where the spark plug should be. Look at the isolation dampers for the handlebars.
Someone's going to be very happy they're getting in the video properly with someone that knows what they're talking about.
And it's got an SU carburetor with a copper pipe coming out of the engine with a Schrader valve.
I've had some work put into it.
Yeah, someone spent a lot of time doing it, but why?
I shall have an investigation and find out.
No, Mark doesn't know who owns it. And he obviously trusts it being here.
Yeah.
Just leaving his helmet. But yes,
I have a feeling I might know, but I shall have a look around and see what I can find out.
Send me a message.
I will do, mate.
See you
I'll
later.
catch you in a bit. So, as I said, if I don't find who owns this, I have a feeling I might know who does, but we'll find out. Chuck it in the comments, as Detective Wolf is on the job. And I think that might conclude it, as the rain is now getting significantly worse. I am now soaked through. I should probably get washing the Mopar at this point. This is the best time to wash them in the rain, isn't it? You're right, how you doing? Oh, I know, tell me about it. Yeah, so now, you can't really see it in the video, but the rain is now really tipping it down. The things I do, standing in the rain. We buy expensive cars so we can go stand in car parks in the freezing cold and the rain. Unless I find anything else I haven't filmed, I hope you enjoyed the video. There'll probably be a part 2 of stuff leaving, so hope you enjoyed it and see you all soon. Bye.